Hey Doug, Curtis Kelley here at CAPOVW, and I just want to shoot a video of a car that you inquired about today. This is the Atlas SEL Premium with the black wheels on it. Awesome car. Here's your interior. Got nice wood grain. You're going to have the Fender sound system, the wood grain that I just mentioned. I'm going to close the door. We can also get our navigation here in the center. So you can see it right there. There we go. Digital dashboard, AM, FM, Apple CarPlay. And here we go. Seating is going to give you heated seats along with cool seats, and it's leather seating in this car. All the SEL Premiums come 4Motion, and here's the 4Motion down here for you, along with Park Pilot and Park Assist. Park Assist, the parking assist you when parking it. Park Pilot is the sensor system. Memory seats, auto folding mirrors if you need them, and this one will seat 7. Way we get in the back, just real quick, pull it forward, passenger climbs in, pulls it back, seat goes back in position. All right, this is Curtis over here at CAPOVW. Please give me a call. I can be reached at 949-307-7662. I'd like to set up a time you can come in and can go for a test drive, and hopefully you get to take it home today. That would be great. Once again, Curtis at CAPOVW. And to continue my video, here's one last feature I'm going to show you, which is the easy open for the rear lift. You just kick underneath, pull your foot there, and it's going to open up for you. Real easy. Take your packages out, push the button, and we're good.